A $100 billion business. 70 million Americans eat steak every week, but 93% only know 3 names: ribeye, sirloin, filet. The other 13? Completely unheard of. Today, everything changes. 16 steaks, each one with its own secret. Some, the butcher kept for himself. Some, sell for double the price in restaurants. Some, conquered the world, and you still don't know about them. 8 minutes. 1 carcass. 0 fluff. Let's go. Ribeye. The secret inside ribeye. This isn't just a steak. This is architecture. From ribs 6 to 12 of the carcass. Inside, marbling. Fat woven like veins. At 57°C it melts, basting the meat from within. Result. Fat explodes with every bite, but the real secret. Spinalis dorsi. The muscle wrapping around the ribeye. Professional chefs know this. Spinalis is the most delicious meat in the world. Some restaurants sell it separately. Price, 2.5x more than regular ribeye. If the place you're eating steak doesn't have spinalis, you're in the wrong place. Ideal temp, 5760°C, medium rare, period. New York strip. The balanced master ribeye is the fatty. Filet is the bland. This is right in the middle. New York strip. From the short loin. One edge has a thin fat cap. Pro trick. Before cooking, render that fat on the grill. Infuse the flavor into the meat. Why is this steak ideal for beginners? Because it forgives. Miss the temperature by 2 to 3 degrees. No problem. Go a bit over on time. Still good. Ribeye. Not so forgiving. Filet. Even more ruthless. If you're cooking steak in a cast iron for the first time, start with this. Nearly impossible to mess up. Filet Mignon. Why it's always expensive? Touch it with a knife. It splits. Press with a fork. It crumbles. The psoas major muscle, under the spine, inside the leg, never contracted once in its life. That's why it's tender, at the molecular level. Mathematical truth. 1 carcass yields only 400 to 500 grams. 2 pieces. That's it. From a 300 kilograms animal, only half a kilo of filet. That's why it was expensive in the 1960s. Still expensive in 2025. Will be expensive in 2050. The problem, low fat, means no flavor on its own. That's why it always comes with black truffle, béarnaise, or pan-seared in butter. Filet without salt. Cotton. And please, don't order well done. That's a crime. T-bone. 2 worlds. 1 bone. Imagine the steaks in 1 dish. 1 price. On one side, New York strip dense, flavorful. On the other, filet mignon tender, delicate. The bone holds them together, shaped like the letter T, but there's a problem. Strip cooks in for minutes. Filet in 6. If you give them the same heat, one dries out, the other stays raw. Pro solution. Shield the filet side slightly with foil, or the opposite. Place the strip closer to the flame, filet farther away. American BBQ master's favorite problem and favorite solution. Porterhouse. T-bone. But on steroids. T-bone is big. Porterhouse. Massive. USDA rule. If the filet portion is larger than 32 millimeters, Porterhouse. Smaller. T-bone. Weight. 700 grams to 1.2 kilograms. Many restaurants list it as serves 2, but the truth, in much of America, 1 person finishes it. In Texas, that's normal business. In Nebraska, that's standard. We don't judge. Fun fact. Porterhouse was the name of a New York hotel in the 1800s. They made the steak famous. 200 years later, still the same name. If you need to prove you're a champion-level eater, take the Porterhouse Solo Challenge. Sirloin. Budget-friendly, but not shameful. Ribeye $45. Sirloin $18. If you know how to cook, you won't notice the difference. Sirloin, from the back, dense texture, low marbling. But that's not bad. It's different. Top sirloin, more tender, pricier. Bottom sirloin, cheaper, perfect for marinades. And this is exactly where the magic happens. 4-hour marinade, soy sauce, garlic, lemon, olive oil. Sirloin absorbs it. Fibers expand, liquid penetrates deep. Result, premium steak feel. Budget price. Another advantage. Sirloin cooked well done doesn't get tough. Ribeye does. Filet dries out. Sirloin holds up. Got well done eaters in the family? This steak is your answer. Flat iron. The 2000 to discovery something was hiding in the shoulder. For 100 years, no one noticed. University of Nebraska. 2002 to professors Chris Calkins and Wayne Johnson researched shoulder muscles. What they found, inside lay the second most tender meat in the world. Only problem, a connective tissue membrane runs through the middle. It made the meat unusable. They developed a technique to remove the membrane. Result, flat iron steak was born. Tenderness, second only to filet. Price, 1/3 of filet. This is the biggest arbitrage in steak history. Smart buyers know this. Now you do too. Flank steak. Marinade's best friend, abdominal muscle. Constant movement, dense fibers, zero marbling. Most people stop here. They say, it's tough. They're wrong, because flank steak is the marinade absorption champion. Fibers are more open, liquid penetrates deep. Marinade, for 2 to 8 hours. Soy sauce, lemon, garlic, olive oil. Flank soaks it up, penetrates every fiber. After cooking, the most important rule, cut against the grain. If you cut wrong, you'll chew rubber. Cut right, it melts without a fork. Classic fajitas, tacos, stir fry, all flank. Skirt steak, flavor bomb. Put it on the griddle, the whole kitchen fills up. That's skirt steak, diaphragm muscle, the most beefy smelling steak, because it works constantly during breathing. It's saturated with blood. To types, outside skirt, more tender. In restaurants, inside skirt, more intense. At home, marinade absorbs fast. 2 to 3 hours is enough. Larger fiber openings, cooking, high heat, short time, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Then, rest it. Cut against the grain, the heart of Brazilian churrasco, the star of Argentina asado. If you haven't tried skirt steak yet, Latin America is waiting for you. Hanger steak, the meat the butcher kept for himself. Why did the butcher never sell this? Because there's only one per carcass. Hanger steak hangs between the diaphragm and kidney. That's why it's called hanger. Flavor, most intense, deepest, most liver-rich. For steak lovers. In France, it's called angle, the secret weapon of Paris bistros. In the 2000s, American chefs discovered it. Now it's no longer a butcher secret, but most people still don't know. One carcass yields only one hanger, not two. One problem, there's a tendon in the middle. Remove it. Otherwise, you won't be able to chew. If you want to become a real steak geek, start with hanger. Chuck eye, the poor man's ribeye, just one rib away from ribeye. Same marbling, same flavor, blind taste test. Participants couldn't tell chuck eye from ribeye. 0%. The only difference, the chuck section moved a bit more, slightly denser, but cooked right. You can't tell. Price, half the cost of ribeye. Why? Marketing. Ribeye, famous. Chuck, unknown, but biologically, nearly identical meat. Go to a butcher shop, ask for chuck eye. If the butcher smiles, you're among the connoisseurs. If they look at you weird and say, what's that? Change your butcher. The Instagram king, 45cm bone, 5cm thickness. This isn't a steak, this is a spectacle. Tomahawk, a long bone ribeye. The bone is French cleaned of meat. Looks like a battle axe. Tomahawk in a thumbnail. CTR increases 40 to 60%. Research confirmed. Cooking, reverse sear. First in the oven at 120 Celsius, 45 minutes. Then searing cast iron to 2 minutes per side. Can you eat a tomahawk? Yes, but the real purpose. Video content, Instagram story, TikTok post. If you want to go viral, your video needs a tomahawk. Fun fact, tomahawk and ribeye, same meat. Only difference is bone length, but price is 40% higher. Why? California's flag. When America says steak, they mean ribeye. California says tri-tip. 1950s, Santa Maria, CA. A local BBQ master discovered the triangular bottom portion of the sirloin. He slow cooked it over red oak coals. Result, Santa Maria BBQ was born. Tri-tip, 1 to 1.5 kilograms, feeds for 2 to 6 people. Price, half of ribeye. Problem, fibers run in different directions. If you cut carelessly, you'll cut half of it wrong. Solution, before cutting, study the grain, divide it into 2 pieces, then cut each against the grain. If you live in California and haven't made tri-tip yet, your citizenship should be revoked. Bavette, the secret weapon of Paris bistros. Paris menu, you see Bavette. Nothing else is selling, French for little bib. In America, it's called flap steak, similar to flank and skirt, but with slightly more marbling. Flavor, intense. Price, budget-friendly. Classic service, butter, shallots, tarragon sauce, simple, but elevated. After cooking, rest it 7 to 10 minutes. Liquid redistributes. When you cut, not a drop falls. If you go to Paris, walk into a bistro, order the Bavette. If it's not on the menu, you walked into the wrong bistro. Price, size, flavor, champion in all three. Protein bomb, 0 fat, maximum protein, but don't lose the flavor. Leg muscle, the most active part. That's why there's no fat. 0.10 grams equals 28 to 30 grams of protein. First choice for athletes in fitness nutrition. In Britain, a classic. In Sunday roast in pub restaurants, but cooked wrong, It's like chewing shoe leather. Solution for 2-6 or marinade. Acidic environment, vinegar, lemon, or yogurt. Softens the fibers. Cooking, high heat, quick sear, medium rare, 2 minutes per side, then rest. If you're doing clean eating but can't stop eating steak, this is your steak. Picanha, the king of Brazil, conquered the world in 15 years. But you might not have heard of it yet. Picanha, top sirloin cap, thick fat cap on top. In Brazilian churrasco, they fold it into a C shape, skewer it, fat on the outside. The skewer rotates, fat melts. The meat bastes itself in its own fat. At Rodizio restaurants, the server walks around the table, slicing directly onto your plate. How many pieces? As many as you can eat. Seasoning? Only coarse sea salt. Nothing else needed. After 2010, the global boom began. Now London, Dubai, Tokyo, Picanha is everywhere. If you haven't tasted it yet, your steak journey hasn't even started. 16 steaks, 1 carcass, each one with its own history. Ribeye, the king. Filet, elegance. Tomahawk, spectacle. Flatiron, the smart choice. Picanha, the journey. Which one is for you? Write it in the comments. And if this was helpful, hit subscribe. Next video, how to cook all 16 steaks at home. Let's go.